Today, in Nugnog in the City. Time na para i-explore ang beautiful ocean state, Rhode Island. Bibistahin natin ang isa sa mga naglalakihang mansions dito. Mamimili tayo ng seafood at i-explore ang beautiful Thames Street. Pero teka, an unexpected thing happened along the strip. Abang yan in this episode. On the next day, here in Rhode Island, maaga kaming gumising to prep on today's trip.
Hindi, New York.
Pero dahil umatin pa ng klase ang kapatid ko, may oras pa kami para explore ang Naval Base. Pero bago yan, almusal muna tayo.
Yung ganitong kitchen lang sa Pilipinas, pwede na sa akin. So, dito kami sa Navy Lounge. And breakfast lang kami. Housekeeping. Breakfast. Ang windy sa labas, guys. So, hindi tayo prepared. Lahat ng mga outfit ko is pang summer. Okay. That is not working. Welcome back. Ba't ka na nakamay? Welcome back sa ating pong kwarto. Just gonna get some of our stuff here kasi dito tayo matutulog later. Yan ang ating kwarto. Ay, matutulog. Dito tayo maliligo later kasi sayang naman yung space, diba? So, just gonna get a jacket. Let's go! Let's go!
I'm a monster.
No. You're a monster?
You're big and chubby.
No, I'm not chubby.
Then why you have a big tummy?
I'm not. Your kuya does.
Chubby tummy.
No, chubby tummy.
You're my uncle.
That's it.
I'm taking off.
Don't you think it's... Give na. No, I'll take pictures of you with Loli. Along with Alicia and my mom, we decided to check out the views outside the Navy Lodge, Newport. The Navy Lodge is, of course, inside the Naval Base, here in Rhode Island, within Coddington Cove and Coasters Harbor. At dahil summer, ang ganda lang ng blooms ng mga flowers. Just near the lodge, may Starbucks coffee shop din if you want to chill or have coffee.
There was Navy soldier and there was Navy soldiers. Like right there. I'm going to tell my parents. Big weather. I only have to.
Naisipan ko maglakad-lakad muna and explore the place. And I've learned na just a few blocks away the lodge, matatagpuan naman ang Navy Exchange Department Store and Newport Commissary.
This is actually part of the military base. So meron silang sariling hotel. And then there's like recreational area for the family. And actually ang gusto ko lang dito is what I really wanted to visit now is yung beach area. So meron kasi parang shoreline here. So yun. Ay, dito lang pala yung next. So malapit na pala. Jogging. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna jog. Diba? Kunwari healthy tayo. Diba? Yan. So gusto ko kasing puntahan yung Coding Point and the other one is the Bishop Rock. So just wanted to come back.
Tinala ako ng pa-across sa Donovan Avenue and bala ko sanang magpunta sa Bishop's Rock. Pero dahil may mga military personnel na nakatambay, I decided to just do some stretching at the breakwater.
Coffee tayo guys. Kasi baka lamigin tayo. Go, 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 go.
Upon my sister's arrival, nag-prepare na kami to go out and explore the city. First destination is the Cliff
And
Walk.
1, 2, 3. You got big tummy
is
too.
No, no.
You got big tummy too. Look at that. So big.
See it. Your tummy is bigger than mine.
It fits your head in my tummy.
We're going to Niagara Falls.
No, we're not.
Pero before tayo makarating doon, I was first amazed on how flamboyant and beautiful each of the houses we passed through.
Can you buy a castle here when you grow up?
No.
Why? You don't like it here?
Parang bawal ang pangit na bahay dito, and they are not afraid of showing colors.
I can see the ocean
Where?
over there. Oh, just stop! We don't do parties. We don't do parties. We even go to eat for dinner and you have a party all day and have roast piggies.
Time na para explore ang Cliff Walk.
Oh, look at that. Is that an mansion? We're here at the Cliff Walk. Ay, ito pala yung front. Ah, careful, careful. So, this is Salve University. Look at that. So, itong mansion na to, dati may nakatira dito, tapos ginawa nilang school.
The Cliff Walk is a 3.5-mile or around 5-kilometer public access walkway that hugs the coastline of Newport, Rhode Island.
I'm not an egg. You're the Eggman.
Okay,
Stop clinging on my back.
Stop, pause. Pico, stop. Okay, pause. Freeze! Okay, freeze! Don't move! You're moving!
You're the one who's moving. Let's walk.
We have like this and then we're gonna go back.
We are.
And this one is no, this one. And then on.
It is considered one of Newport's most popular tourist attractions, as it offers stunning ocean views, unique geological features, and access to a number of historic mansions. The Cliff Walk is also popular with locals, as it is a great place to go for a walk, run, or bike ride. We decided to start near the breakers, passing the Sheep Point down to the Land's End, up until the Bellevue Avenue. Here, you can get a nice view or even swim at Bailey Beach.
Like rotten eggs.
No, it smells like fish. Same distance lang din naman.
From here, we walk back to where we parked.
The breakers.
Upon reaching the breaker, we decided to go in and check what this lavish mansion has to offer.
At the Breakers Mansion.
Ano nga bang feeling nakatira sa ganito kalaking bahay? Ticket prices here cost $29 for adults and $10 for youth ages 6 to 12 years old. According to history, the Breakers, which is a property owned by the Vanderbilt family, is actually a summer home of the family, modeled on Italian Renaissance palaces with open-air courtyards. It was designed by architect Richard Morris Hunt and completed in 1893. Situated on 13 acres of land overlooking Newport's Eastern Bay and Atlantic Ocean. The Great Hall is the largest room in the house, measuring approximately 50 feet wide and 50 feet long by 50 feet high. This 70-room mansion is considered one of the America's greatest example of view art architecture. You have the option here to do a guided tour and explore on your own. There is also a QR code that will be provided in this tour if you decided to listen to an audio explanation. Kung hindi naman, may reading material din na available in the mansion. Alam niyo bang ang total cost ng pagpapagawa ng bahay nito ay umabot sa $11 million in that time, and that will be equivalent to $280 today. Isa-isahin na natin ang mga kwarto.
Flat iron hangers. I don't recognize some. Oh, there's a vacuum. Oh, kitchen. I love it. And that's it. Bye-bye.
Siyempre, it would be a good end to explore din ang garden. Actually, a day wouldn't really be enough if you wanted to visit all of the mansions in the area. As of this writing, there are 11 mansions available for public viewing.
I am gonna catch you. Bye. So we just did a tour. Here is the breakers for 2 hours. Ang tagal lang kami because of the taking photos.
Walking back to our vehicle, we saw this hop-on, hop-off bus service in Newport, which on the month of our arrival in the place, is serving tourists for free transport from Route 67 and Route 68. This route passes through most of the tourist spots in the city.
Is the whole family going?
Oops. It's pouring.
It's raining.
Oh.
Aww.
Okay, we'll just wait here.
Plano sana namin explore at maglakad along Thames Street. Unfortunately, biglang umulan.
Unfortunately, guys, it's raining. Sorry.
And we're
Can't stay
saying goodbye. Goodbye forever, and we'll never see you again. It's raining. It's pouring. Bouncing on our faces. It's raining. It's raining. Bouncing on our faces. Pull your ears and all your kids.
Being an ocean state, it's already given that this city can offer a delicious seafood feast. Kaya we decided to check out Newport Lobster Shack, just beside the Newport Yacht Club. Kakain sana kami here but decided to just buy a few lobsters to take home.
We do not serve out of this trailer. Ito lang yung bili. Okay. So parang here tapos iba't ibang restaurant. So this is where you buy lobsters.
1.4? See, that's 1.4.
That's 11.50.
Finding a new place to visit, bumalik kami sa Thames Street to look for a parking area para makapaglakad-lakad na rin kami around. Unfortunately, napakamahal ang parking and di pa din tumitila ang ulan. Okay. Forever.
And mainit na ulit, guys. See?
It's sunny.
It's sunny again.
Wait, should I see?
Sunny.
What's that?
It's tutti. It's sunny again. It's almost 6 o'clock in the evening, so
Kaya just before we decided to go home, dumaan na lang kami sa Easton Beach, which is just located along Memorial Boulevard, connecting Newport and Newport East.
look at
Newport City.
Newport, this city. It's
Full of pigs in New York City.
your
Wow.
Oh, they're swimming. Look at that. Guys, hindi tayo ready sa ating swimming.
Sobrang lakas ng alon ng dagat, perfect for surfing. Napakalawak din ng shoreline. And you can really have this space to enjoy the beach. Bukas, maaga tayong aalis dahil didiretso tayo papuntang Niagara Falls, New York. Abangan yan on our next episode.
Okay, we'll go. Let's go.
Poopy poopy.
There you go. Yan, so we're already back here sa ating hotel and nag-ikot-ikot lang tayo dito sa Rhode Island. Hopefully guys, you enjoyed our vlog for today. And tomorrow we'll be heading naman sa New York and silipin natin ang Niagara Falls. Until next time, this is Taglag in the City. Ciao! Hasta pronto. Bye-bye.